Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Range Rover Evoque. So first of all, we go to music here. I'm going to turn that down. I'm not going to play that. There you go. What Makes a Good Man? That's a good record. So at the bottom there, if you click on the bottom there, the silver triangle with the 3 silver circles, you'll see there the choices are. That's what you can play the music through at the moment. You can either do it through your iPhone or through the Bluetooth system in the Range Rover. There's a tick next to it. So we want Range Rover. We'll go back to here. I'll click play. Now over to the system, and we want media. Media is the musical note or the clapper board. So we'll click on that.
Enabling them to
Actually, just turn that down a minute. That's come onto radio. We want Bluetooth. You'll see source up here. So we click source, and then we select, in this case, my iPhone, but in your case, your iPhone. That will now, I'll have to, it's knocked it off, so I'll click play again. We'll turn this up. So that's it. That's how you play music through the audio system.